Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create WooCommerce account. So simply just open woocommerce.com and after that click on start a new store. So just after that, when you click here, wait for a few seconds. So here you can sign up through your email or password, but I am going to sign up through Google account. So simply just select the Google account here, and after that when you select the Google account, just sign up process is completed. So here just click on who is this site for. So simply this site is for me. So simply after that here select the category, like I want to do electronics and computers. Simply click on continue. So here select the product type. After that here how will customers pay their purchase. So simply I want to add one time purchase. So simply just click here and after that click on continue. So here now if you want to create your account or site, simply you have to pay some price. So after that just here you have to select a domain. Simply the WordPress domain is free, so you can also buy a domain here, but we will select the WordPress domain. Simply just select this one and now wait for a few seconds. After that when you select your domain, simply you will move to next section and here you have to add the payment method. So simply first of all add the postal code, and just you can also add payment through PayPal. So simply select the PayPal and click on PayPal. So in this way you can add a payment method, or if you want to add a credit card, so simply you can add your credit card details here. So this is the price. So just simply click here and now after that I don't want to currently add the payment method here, so simply I just go back and close this section. Now what we need to do, just as you move back to the main page of WordPress, so finally here on the left tab you will find the WooCommerce. So simply just open it. So here you have successfully created your WooCommerce account. Now you can start your new store.